So thanks to all for watching this video, and in this video I'd like to show you the procedure to solve the question of week 2 final assessment of intermediate 1. Okay, so here is the question, and for solving this we have to download this file, and I have already downloaded it, so just open it. Okay, and here it is. So it is necessary to provide more meaningful labels for boxes of items in stock. The first tab of the task workbook contains the inventory items, and you will need to generate the information needed on the for printing tab and using a range of text functions. Okay, fine. On the inventory tab, enter a formula in J1. So first of all, in inventory tab and J1, okay, that will return the current date but not time, so only date, not time. So for date and time we use now function, but they want just date, not time, so we should use today function. Okay, and what function did you use? Okay, fine. And please enter just the function name, all in uppercase letters and with no equal sign, brackets or arguments. Okay, fine. So first of all, we are going to use today function, tab, close bracket, enter. Fine, it's today function. So just put it here. Okay, all in uppercase letter. Okay, fine. Now question number 2. In JQ, calculate the number of days since the last order. Copy the formula down to J35, and what is the check digit value in G1? So first of all, J4, we have to find out the number of days since the last order. Okay, in J4, so you're going to use so last date. Okay, so you're just subtract this value from this one. Okay, minus this one. Okay, enter. So there is a problem because of relative references, so we can solve this by using an absolute one. So correct this. Okay, so we should use dollar sign before J1 to make it absolute, then enter and fill it. Okay, and what is the check digit value in G1? And it's G1 17. Okay, just copy it and paste. And in 3, in the for printing worksheet in A5, generate a part code using SKU followed by the material code. Okay, fine. First SKU and then material code and another hyphen and the part number, and there is an example of what it should look like, and copy the formula down, and what is the value for check digit 1, sale HV. So first of all we are going to printing tab and A5. Okay, for printing tab and A5. Fine. So we have to combine three things here. First SKU and then material code, and the last one is the part number. Okay, fine. So for combining this we should use concatenate. Okay, you can use concate function also, but in my PC I don't have concate function, so I should use concatenate. Both are same actually. Fine. So concatenate function, and then because of its text, so we should use inverted comma and then SKU inverted comma and then comma, again inverted comma, then we should use some hyphen. They wanted it again. So after SKU and hyphen, they want material good. Okay, fine. And then again they want a hyphen, and last they want just part number. Okay, so end this bracket and enter. Okay, fine. What they wanted, SKU and material code and end with the part number. SKU material code, end of the part number. Okay, SKU material code, end of the part number. Okay, fine. Just fill it. Fine. Then and check digit 1. Okay, and cell H5, cell H5 and check digit is 1767. Just copy it and paste it here. And next, in B5 we need to see the material in uppercase, so all should be uppercase, and copy the formula down. What is the value for check digit 2? Cell H6. Okay, fine. Just enter this number. Okay, fine. Check digit number and go to B5 and just they just wanted the materials in uppercase. Okay, fine. So we should use the upper function, and the material. Okay, just enter it. Now fill it. Okay, and here is the answer in H6 digit. Okay, just copy it and just paste it. And the next question is, in C5 we want to create a distributor code on which is the first 5 characters of the distributor name, and which function did you use. Okay, fine. And just enter just the function name all in uppercase letters with no equal sign, brackets or arguments. Okay, fine. So they want just first 5 letters of the distributor name, first 5 letters. So in case of distributor name, first 5 letters from this here. Okay, first 5. So we should use left function. Okay, so uppercase letter, we just enter the function name, so left function. Okay, left. Okay, and to avoid confusion, make a change to the formula in C5 so that all distributor codes and show in all lowercase. Okay, fine. And copy the formula down, and what is the value for check digit 3? Cell H7. Okay, fine. Then C5 distributor code, go to for printing and distributor code, and here we are going to use the formula. So they want now all in lowercase. Okay, fine, all in lowercase. So we are going to use lower function. Okay, lower, then left again left function, and so distributor name. Okay, and first 5 letters. Okay, how many numbers they need. 5 letters. Just close it. Again, once it. Okay, and it's here. Fill it. Okay. Case and people should distribute the code in. Okay. And what is the value in H6? H7, sorry, H7. Just copy it and paste it. Okay. Just copy it and paste it. And many of the part descriptions are too long, and so in D5 create a calculation to get the first 8 characters of the part description and then copy the formula down. Okay, fine, first 8 characters, and then that's not ideal, so we want to change it to get all the text to the left of the first comma. Okay, fine, so we should use left and find function. Okay, and which function will allow us to locate the position of the first comma. Okay, fine. So because of this, we want to change the text to the left of the first comma. So first we have to find comma. So we are going to use find function. All uppercase. Okay, fine. And then change the calculation in D5 to retrieve the part description up to the first comma and copy the formula down. And what is the value for take digit for okay, so we should use the data from the previous question, and we are going to use it. Okay, first 8 characters, and okay, fine, first 8 characters, no, from comma. Okay, so left, fine, before. Okay, and then find function. Okay, what we're going to find, inverted comma, we are going to find comma. Okay, inverted comma end, and then again and within which text, obviously before. Okay, fine. Okay, and we have to use -1 because it will reduce the comma sign. Okay, so here it is. So see, if we don't use -1, what will happen? Here it will include it with comma, but we don't want this. Okay, so -1, -1. Okay, just enter it and just fill it, and here is the answer, H8 check digit 4. Okay, just copy it and paste it. Fine. Then the distributor address is in the format street address postcode state. In E5, enter a calculations that will retrieve just the postcode from the distributor address, and which of the following combinations of functions could you use to achieve this? Okay, fine, it's easy. We should use the mid and find function, obviously. We will see in the next question this change the calculations in E5 To also include this state before the postcode, there's an example NSW 2007, and copy the formula down. What is the value for check digit 5? Okay, fine. So we have to use the data from these questions, and so well, first E5, found it, and then scale to. So first we have to combine some data, so use concatenate function, and then use the right function. Okay, right function of just distributor address first. Okay, sorry, what they want first in this format, street address. Okay, fine, street address. So right of the street address. Okay, and comma, then we should use 3 characters and end this. Okay, and then again use meet function, okay, for meet function again this F4, okay, and find function. Okay, so what we should find, comma, of what function, of what this F4, okay, and bracket, and how many we need 4. Okay, this 4 2006. Okay, so 4 and close the bracket. Okay, and now see what happened. Oh shit, it's not like that what we wanted, right? So we have to add 2 digit here. Okay, just plus and 2. Fine, now see, exactly what we wanted. Just fill it, and here's the answer. Fine, just copy it and just paste it. Okay, and submit it. Ta-da-da, 100%. Okay, thank you once again. Okay.